So finally, it looks like there's some light in the end of the tunnel because decentralized identity service, known as DID, which will enable, allegedly, millions of Africans to participate in Web3 economy. With the advent of decentralized identity, there will be options to crowdsource information about one person. Next to that, also be able to give it back to this person in terms of the ownership. So this person will be owning the information. When needed, they can withdraw access, give access to other providers, and it's going to be portable as well.
We forget how much control some of these platforms have over our accounts, our user identity. I'm looking forward to this decentralized identity future where we can actually control our identity, take it with us, merge it, move it, whatever we want. And also, most importantly, it's private to ourselves and the data isn't being used by other platforms.
Nothing will stop people's desire for fair approach to their data.